Hey guys, so I'm gonna be reacting to how to fix a round board cage. And yeah, I know I said I'm gonna take a break from reactions, but I wanted to start reacting to videos again. So sorry for the inconvenience. I just deleted that video. So yeah, but let me continue.
Alright, so now yesterday we said that we would follow up that video with what we thought about round cages. So this is JoJo's cage. Yeah, bird's leg corners. So we're going to fix this cage a little bit, make it, get a few corners. Hopefully it all works out. If not, no big loss. Pebble's gonna watch and make sure that it's done correctly, right, Pebble? Hey, are you gonna make sure it's done correctly? My supervisor. So, first off, we're gonna see if we can get a nice fold happening on each side here.
Why are you destroying that? That's not fixing.
I think we got it. We got it. That's the best thing that's ever happened. You don't like little cages either, hey? That's what.
Okay. Okay, so that's actually so funny. Like how the boat is going at him, like snapping at him, and so like, what the fuck? Why would you do that?
It needs another one. These cages shouldn't even be in production, right? We've made this cage good now. Exactly. We can throw it exactly where it belongs, right, Pebble? Right in the garbage.
Oh my god, you can't be quick. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Well, that boy did not want to. Oh god, I'm sorry. That was so hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing. That boy literally went at him so hard. Like, he was swole. so bad. Like, oh my gosh. I couldn't. It's like, what the fuck were you? But anyway, guys, this is over now. I need to end this video off here. We could just get so laughing. We didn't pull another man for the shortness case. So please like and subscribe for more cases. And peace.